What is up, you guys? In this video I'm going to show you guys exactly what you want to do if you want to get your logo or brand trademarked on your website or whatever. I sell full-time on Amazon, so I need to have my logo trademarked and my brand trademarked. So whatever brand you have or name or business name and you're trying to get legal protection, I'm going to give you guys the best and cheapest route that I personally have found. And just to show you guys a little bit here, this is Amazon and Amazon brand registry. This shows you like if you're trying to enroll your trademark, and you can see here that it's showing approved. I personally have 3 trademarks of businesses approved, and this is the cheapest route and fastest route. So if you're new to this channel and you want to support, just hit that subscribe button down below and like this video if you can, and let's get started. So what I found, and nobody has taught me this, is actually found an attorney on Fiverr.com, and this is the cheapest route because they only charge $45 for a trademark research and then $45 to submit the application. So this one is $90. They do the trademark research and the trademark application, or if you just want the trademark search, it's $45. So by far this is the cheapest route I found when doing a trademark. And what this person does is let's say you want your brand or your name or anything like that trademarked, they do the trademark search for you, and in around like 3 to 5 days they'll get back to you telling you if it's a good idea to trademark the logo or not. And then they would actually file it for you for another $45. By far the best I found for getting a logo trademark. I mean, usually people are spending $2,000, sometimes even more, with attorneys and all this stuff with trademark, and it's a big hassle and a big money waster. This is the fastest and easiest route that I personally have found, and I recommend you to use this person. If you want to use them, I'm gonna have a link down below. It's gonna be in the link in the description as well as in the pinned comments. This is the cheapest route you can find. The second cheapest, probably around like 300 bucks. $90 is extremely affordable, especially if you're trying to have protection in your business. So like I said, this is what I use. The whole trademark application, after you submit it, takes around 6 months to get approved. But as long as you have a trademark pending, you still have protection on that brand. So yeah, this is what I recommend you to do if you're trying to get your logo or company trademarked or brand name, anything like that, trademark. They also have copyrights, patents, and patent designs that they give you information on. This attorney is really good. And also, when they do the draft application for you, because some people in the previous videos, they told me, what if this person steals my brand or anything? I mean, look, this person has 6,000 orders completed, over 3,000 reviews, 5 stars. Like, this guy is just doing his thing. Nobody's gonna steal anything from you. Your brand is not that important to a lot of other people. Just being real with you. So this is what I recommend. If you use them, use the link down below or the description. The best route I recommend. Also, hit that subscribe button if this video was useful to you guys. Hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.